ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
U MLA jangka All India Trinamool Congress u Mukul Sangma. Haga khatsan tarik unai lor arajar arpulai. Ula kentaj war ya ke jingmi ki khubor hamsaya ba un peniaso bat kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party. Haga jing ekren bat gelar patai khubor u Mukul Sangma ula kentaj war ya ke jingkeno bat ongru ba hado menta ompat ju ya kendo satya ya ki nong yalam jangka BJP lani wat ki nong yalam ke BJP ru kinwan ya kendo markhmat bat u.
No, has he met me? No, has he met me or have I met them? Why don't you ask them? Have I met anybody? Okay, their politics does not probably happen without my name, so that's a different thing. Please ask them, don't ask me. Yeah. Has he met me or has Dr. Mukul met any of them? Please ask them. Yeah. I am not complaining when the stories are being circulated even without asking me. I would have been happier if at least you should have, or friends from media would have given me an opportunity to comment before carrying these stories. I see many of these freelancers nowadays, Garo News Channel, kya in YouTube, as though I have said something, They are giving a story as though it is a story authenticated by them, So now I have chosen to not react. That's the only thing. I'm studying the whole political dynamics of the state. It is necessary. Why it is necessary? It is necessary because of the outcome of the electoral process that we have just completed. Okay. It is necessary. Is it not necessary? It is necessary. Therefore, it is necessary for all of us to have exhaustive due diligence of the overall, the political dynamics that have unfolded over the years and the way it's going to unfold in the years to come and how we will navigate through this kind of situation, how we should navigate for what? Navigate for ensuring that our objective which revolves around serving the people with utmost sense of commitment, dedication, honesty, and give the best that we can. We always want to say that, okay, we can give the best. That's why we compete amongst others. Why do we have different political platforms in a democracy? Because we feel that we can do better than others. Now others also feel that they can do better than others. But at the same time, there are reasons for people like us to feel concerned and worried because we had the privilege, along with many of the leaders of the state, in participating in collective building of this beautiful state. And if things are not going the right way, then there's a need to look at all ways and means available as to how to ensure that, okay, we do justice to the desire, the expectations of the people. Everybody wants to have a good life. Everybody wants to ensure that their children have a better life. And how we can actually ensure that this kind of hope can be generated and they will see it happening, If we feel that, okay, people are feeling little, apprehensive of their future, I think then there's a reason for us to be really, really concerned and to see that we start looking at how to steer the state in the right way, that future is better, because we have built the state together. So everybody who loves the state, everybody who loves their children will think the same way.
But will you join?
I am telling you that we are looking at, now see, I am more concerned about my state of Meghalaya. Okay, if Meghalaya can be a state where you see everybody have the sense of well-being, Meghalaya is vibrant, progressive, prosperous, then you as a state is capable of contributing for the growth and prosperity of the nation. So charity begins at home. I'm more concerned about this beautiful state of Meghalaya and the state of Meghalaya where we need to create that sense of oneness. How do we do it? How do we do it? Is any party capable of creating this sense of oneness? I'm afraid I'm not seeing it. So there's a big challenge before us. So you can understand the burden on me as to what must be going on in my mind. Yeah. Do you subscribe to the kind of environment that has unfolded in the preceding months? Do you want to see this kind of similar thing where everybody thinks that, okay, my future is at stake? No, we don't want to see that. Everybody should have that sense of, hope where they see that, okay, future is going to be better. And when this can happen, then I think we will be thinking that, okay, we are in the right path. But at the moment, this is not happening, so we'll have to make it happen.